Hi class, in this video we're going to do number 9 in our chapter 5 homework. So the question says the following graph input 2 shows the daily demand for hotel rooms at the 777 Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. To help the hotel management better understand the market, economists identifies 3 primary factors that affect the demand for rooms each night. These demand factors, along with values corresponding to the initial demand curve, are shown in the following table and alongside the graph in input 2. All right, so we have 3 demand factor over here. We have the average American household income, round trip airfare to from San Francisco to Las Vegas, room rate at Acceleration Hotel and Casino, which is near the 777s. All right, so before we go over the math in this problem here, we have to know what is our mean variable, the market. So the market is the hotels, the rooms in 777 Hotel Casino. So this is our main market, and then these 3 factors might have an impact on our 777 hotel rooms. So before I go over the details here, let's have a little expectation. So for income, if you compare income and the demand for hotel rooms at 777, this will determine if the hotel rooms either are normal good or inferior good. Now, remember from chapter 4, normal good means income goes up, we buy more. Inferior good means income goes up, we buy less, right? So with the first income, we can determine if the 777 hotel rooms are normal or inferior. And then next one, round trip airfare from San Francisco to Las Vegas. So this, compared to the rooms, the demand for 777 hotel rooms in Las Vegas, they're like a complementary good, right? Because for anybody who is flying from from San Francisco to Las Vegas to gamble, they might be staying at 777 as well. So that's like a bundle deal. People buy them together. And last one, rate, hotel rate, and room rate, and another hotel and casino, Acceleration Hotel and Casino. That's more like a substitution good, because for consumers, nobody stay in both hotels at the same time, right? So you either stay in 777 or you stay at this Acceleration Hotel Casino. All right, so let's look at our information over here. So we have our demand curve. So demand curve for our this is the 777, right? So this 777 hotel rooms, so shows you price and demand level. And then we have our graphing tool over here, so shows you the price and then quantity demanded for 777. And then this is our demand factors. So different income, make sure you remember this numbers are in thousands. So don't put in 40,000. This should be just 40 because the number is already in thousands. And an airfare, and also our room rate at another hotel. Okay, so let's look at the questions. So if the average household income increased by 25% from 40 to 50,000, the quantity room demanded at the 777 would do what? All right, so make sure this price is always at 150. Okay, so we don't change the room right now. So the room price is 150. So when the income is 40,000, our quantity demanded for our hotel room will be at 350. Now let's do a 50,000. So let's do this. So 350 was our original quantity demanded, and then we're going to increase to 50,000. And now change to 450. Okay, so 450 is now our new quantity demanded. So it looks like it's increasing. Will rise. Now, so if your income goes up and then you buy more of it, that means normal good. And then if you look at the definition for normal good and inferior good, using income elasticity. So for normal good, income elasticity is positive. For inferior good, income elasticity is negative. So this is positive, which means the rooms are normal good. All right, and next, let me change this one back. So this is 40 again. Okay. All right, so if the room of a price at acceleration were decreased by 20% from 200 to 160. So at 200, our quantity demand against 350. While all other factors remain the initial value, the quantity of room demanded at 777. So initially it was 350 again. I'm going to change this to 160, that's our new price. And there it goes to 250 now. Okay, so 250. And this is decreasing, so false. Because the cross price elasticity for demand is what? All right, so guys, this is also your definition. So look at the cross price elasticity. So if the price for one decreases, led to the quantity demanded for the other one decrease as well, this will be a positive. If you want to know why it's positive, let me show you. Okay, so your cross price elasticity equals to the percentage change in quantity demanded for one good over the percentage change in the price of another good. Right. So in the example we just saw, for the price change, it went down by 20%, so it's a negative. And then on top, our quantity demanded for hotel room at 777 also went down from 350 to 250. So that's a negative too. Okay. So this is false. So negative on top, negative on the bottom, and then once you finish, this answer should be positive. Okay, so that's a positive correlation. All right, so this is positive. That means these two good are substitute good. Okay, so again, that's definition. So if this cross price elasticity is positive, the two goods are substitute. If the cross price elasticity is negative, that means these two goods are complements. All right, and then let's change this one back to 200 again. So make sure every time you finish, change it back to 200, change it back to initial value. Otherwise, the answer is wrong. So 777 is debating decreasing price of its room from 125 per night. And then the initial condition, you can see this will cause the total revenue to do what? All right, so let's find out how much our total revenue for now. So total revenue is your price times quantity. So our price right now is 150. Quantity right now is 350. So let's do this. So price is 150, quantity is 350, and then your total revenue, which is equal to price times quantity, right? So let's find out how much that is. So price times quantity equals to 150 times 350, and so the total revenue is 52,500. All right, and then we're going to lower the price to 125. So price goes down to 125. Too much. Okay, 125, and then our quantity is 375. So price is 125, quantity is 375, and then total revenue equals to 125 times 375, and this equals to, so 125 times 375, this will be 46,875. Okay, so looks like our total revenue is going down if you lower the price. So total revenue decreases. Decreasing the price will always have this effect on total revenue with when 777 is operating on which portion of demand curve. So our answer choice is either elastic or inelastic. All right, so little review from chapter 5. If you draw your demand curve, the top portion demand curve, this is the elastic demand. And then the bottom portion demand curve, that's the inelastic demand. Now for elastic demand, company can lower prices to increase total revenue. So total revenue and prices are going the same direction, going the opposite directions. But in inelastic demand curve, company can increase prices to increase total revenue. So this is the same direction. So in the example we saw before, it looks like our price is going down. So it went from 150 to 125. At the same time, our quantity is going down. I mean, total revenue is going down too, right? So price goes down from 150 to 125, and then total revenue is going down as well from 52,500 to 46,875. So they are also changing in the same direction. So that will be applying to our inelastic portion demand curve because they're going the same direction. Now, if they're different direction, they'll be elastic. Okay, so same directions, they are inelastic portion demand curve. So inelastic. All right, let's grid it now. Okay, so we got everything right. So guys, have any question, let me know, okay? And I will see you for the next video. All right, bye-bye.